Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Marceline, Missouri. If you don't know that, that is the boyhood home of one Walt Disney. He grew up here. I'm actually on Main Street, what they call Main Street USA now. It is the inspiration for Main Street at Disneyland. It's a rainy, quiet day. We are here in late December. We just drove by the Walt Disney Museum, closed until March, so that's cool. So we're just going to take a little walk up and down Main Street USA, see some of the stuff. Thanks for watching. If it's the first time, please subscribe. Hit that like, hit that bell, comment, all that fun stuff. Also, if you don't know, I love Disneyland. So this is kind of a cool thing for me to see. So I hope you enjoy it too, and let's walk around Marceline, Missouri, Main Street, USA. So in 1906, the Disney family lived here, actually in a farm outside of Marceline, for about 4 or 5 years. Then they moved to outside of Kansas, Missouri. But he loved this place. A lot of fond memories for him here. And when he designed Main Street at Disneyland, the story goes that he based it on the Main Street of Marceline, Missouri. I've always wanted to come here. I have a Mecca. Not gonna lie, not much to see. I know they do have Walt Disney festivals. The museum is open starting March. But right now, it's kind of a quiet time. No, not the Disneyland Railway. City Hall. Oh my gosh. That's a cute little place over there. A little ice cream shop. Whole park. They have a movie theater, or a theater. Again, I'm visiting between Christmas and New Year's, and nothing is open. closed for renovation. Uptown Theater. In 1956, Roy and Walt Disney held the Midwest premiere of the film The Great Locomotive Chase in this theater. There they are on Main Street. There's the movie. Here he is beforehand in the theater. In 1988, they held the premiere of The Spirit of Mickey in this theater. There's a plaque right there to show that. National Register of Historic Places. So yeah, every year they do have a Walt Disney Festival here in the summer. But today is a drizzly day. Main Street, USA. To tell the truth, more things of importance happened to me and Marceline have happened to me since or are likely to in the future. Walt Disney. Walt Disney. What's amazing is I would like to buy something that says Marceline on it, and there's nothing. There's nothing open. There's literally nothing open. How will I know I was here? So it says open, and it's not open. This is like the most Main Street part I can see. There's nothing open. It's weird. It's like 11 o'clock. Oh, the hardware store is open. So we have a hardware store, and that's about it. Again, everything says open, but nothing is. It's a quiet little Missouri town. So if you're gonna come in the summer. Don't come now. There's the theater again. So this is the Walt Disney Hometown Museum. It is currently closed for the season. Opens again March. It's in the old train depot. Right on the train tracks. Walt Disney World Main Street USA clock replica. Look at that. All right, thanks for watching on a quiet rainy day from Marceline, Texas. Again, please subscribe, please like, please comment, and we'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.